Okay guys, this is a 2023 Ford Bronco. Present you from Real Deal Auto. Rebuilt title. Rear damage. Nothing was touched up here. Motor's really clean. Removable top. It's got the side steps. Two-tone leather. Start it up. $92.85 on those miles. All your cruise and steering wheel controls. Your automatic lights. Power locks. Power windows and mirrors. Your four-wheel drive options. Smart key. There's your VIN number. All your different options. Backup camera. Does have your four-wheel. You can lock the wheel and basically turn around. You almost turn in one spot. Pretty cool little option. Apple CarPlay. This rebuilt title's rear damage. Show you the pictures. It looks like rear bumper was missing. Really light damage. See, everything looks as if it should. Tinted windows. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.